All right, hey guys, it's Melanie with Lost and Found, and I'm coming to you guys live from our Downtown Springdale Studio. And do me a favor, this is now the third time that I've tried to do this live video. The prior two times, I don't know what's going on. It doesn't seem to be working, so I changed some settings on my phone. So if you're seeing this, if you're watching this, just give me a thumbs up, maybe type in a quick comment. Hey Melanie, I can see you. Just so I know it's working, because it doesn't seem to want to work for me today. So I just talked for like 20 minutes last time and it wasn't even recording it. So, okay, so I see one little eyeball now, so maybe this time it's working. All right, well, I'm here today. I want to show you guys some of the new transfers. Okay, I can see that it tells me that Heidi's watching. All right, so fingers crossed, maybe this time it's working. Maybe so. All right, well, I wanted to show you guys some of the brand new redesign with Prima Transfers. We got in, I think we got like maybe 15 total. I've lost count, but there's 10 or 11, and I even lost count of those, of these now smaller sizes, like this size, okay? And they don't even come in the big tube. They're come flat like this. They're a foot long and 6 inches wide. And you get 3 sheets of them, and they are perfect for those of you who are wanting to do more craft type projects. Maybe you're not doing a whole gigantic piece of furniture. Maybe the big transfers feel a little bit overwhelming. These are going to be your new best friends. I'm so excited that they came out with these. I think it's a great idea that they came out with these, and I want to show you some of them, and I want to show you just how easy it is to put one of these on. I've had people say, Melanie, how do you do that? Is it hard? It's not hard at all. I promise you guys can do it. Okay, so glad, because now it tells me there's some people watching. I don't know what the problem was today. Facebook was weird. So anyway, super glad that you guys are here. Let me know where you're watching from, and let me know what of these you're excited about. So, okay, I showed you the horse one. This one's called Wild Soul. And I opened it up, I took it out of the package. So you get 3 sheets with each of these small ones. Okay, and they're $13 compared to the regular $26.99. They're $13. So it's also just more affordable for your small projects. But look at this cute horse. All right, so that's one of them. And then this one is called Morning Farmhouse. And you got a rooster, a couple of them. Sorry, I know that's backwards. This sheet with it. And then this sheet. Look at the cute little basket of eggs. And another rooster up here. Again, you guys, anything that's flat and clean, these will adhere to. So any of your decorative woodcraft projects, you've got old plates, old pitchers, old coffee cans, you want to put them on your refrigerator, anything that's flat and clean. You can use them on your walls. If your walls are textured, it can get a little tricky because they're so wafer thin that they can kind of crack a little bit over textured walls. So this one is my personal favorite. It's called Cottontail. And it's this super cute little bunny. Isn't he cute with his little ribbon? And so here's the 3 sheets from the Cottontail. Another one, so cute. Kind of makes me want to have some bunnies. So of all of them, I think this one is probably my favorite. Gosh, but there's a ton more. So this one is, it's called Fairy Flowers. There's a little bit of what you get there in the back. Again, same thing, smaller sizes, 3 sheets. Lots of botanicals. Here's a roses, delicate roses with these gorgeous flowers. All right, you guys get the idea. Go check them out on the website, lostandfounddecor.com. Really? Okay, it says we're back now. Sorry, you guys, the world, well, the internet world is just really working against me. I know the video just paused. I don't know what is going on with the internet today, but by golly, I'm gonna show you how to put on this transfer. If it takes me the rest of the afternoon, this is the 3rd time now that I've done it, and I want you guys to see how easy they are. So this is another one. This one's called Morning Peonies. right? And look, here, these are from my yard. I just have to pause them. These are some real peonies. Aren't they gorgeous? They're like the size of my head. So I brought them from my yard. And they smell so nice. But this transfer is called Morning Peonies. And what I've done is, this is just a wood craft round that I painted a long time ago, stenciled. I've already put one of them on here, but I want to show you how easy it is to work with these. So I've decided that I'm going to use this one right here. So I just need a pair of scissors, and you just cut it out. Because it's just on paper with this wax paper backing and then kind of like a clear acetate top. So you just cut out what you want. Keep the wax paper attached on the back because the transfer is super, super sticky, and once it adheres, you can't move it. It's gonna crack. It's so thin. And it's designed that way because they wanna make it look like it's painted on, and it really does. Once you get it on, it looks painted. So until you're ready to use it, keep the wax paper backing on, and then it just peels off. And then I'm just gonna kind of figure out where do I want it to go. And you can layer them on top of each other, and I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna kind of layer it right here on top of that other one. And then just press down. Okay, in the normal big tube transfers, they send you these little sticks. These that come in these flat packs, they're not sending you guys the craft sticks. But, you know, go grab go grab a pack of craft sticks from Hobby Lobby, or, you know, steal some from your kids' craft stash, or you can use a quarter, you can use your fingernail, just something to just kind of rub. And that's what you're gonna do. You're just, where are we over here? Okay, so you're just gonna rub, focusing on the edges. And what it's doing is it's transferring that really, really, really thin decal from the acetate to your surface. And then here on the edge, like I just kind of fold it down. Fold it down. I'm gonna even just use my fingernail to kind of rub it there on the edge. And you can see it's already off. All right, so you just rub. Now, little tip, it's getting to be warmer outside. These, when they're getting shipped, if they sit outside in the heat, it can kind of compromise the glue a little bit. So before you use them, stick them in the refrigerator for a little bit, just to help that glue kind of firm back up. So just rub, 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 rub. All right, then when you think it's on, you just start really slowly pulling off the top. Oh, and I can tell right here that that is not adhered all the way, so I'm gonna put it back down, and I'm just gonna rub a little bit more. Sorry. I know it's hard to see. You really just kind of need to focus on the edges, getting the edges down. And then you just start slowly peeling. And any place you feel like, oh, that's not, you know, stuck enough, put this back down, rub some more. So far, so good though. And there we go. Bam! See? That is so super easy. And look at that. It's absolutely gorgeous. And it looks like, it legitimately looks painted. So I can take the rest of these, add some leaves in, do a little bit on the top, you know, put some burlap. I've got this great cute door hanger, or, you know, hang it up in your kitchen or wherever you want. So people have asked me, what do they need to put on top of these? When I'm doing them just for crafts like this, I don't really worry about putting anything on top of it. You can buff a light coat of clear wax on it for protection. You can put a clear polyacrylic on it if you want. Really, they're really pretty durable, and if this is just hanging on the wall, it's perfectly fine. When I do them on furniture, I do put a coat of clear wax on them. But look at how pretty that is. And that was how easy it is to get it on, and layer them on top of each other. So again, this one, the Morning Peony, I have these 3 sheets. I have this left, and so I can just keep cutting off and keep adding to my round. So you guys, wherever you do your craft shopping, if that's Hobby Lobby, if that's Michael's, if even Walmart has just basic woodcraft aisle, at least my Walmart does. So much just basic wood crafts out there. Go grab a tray, go grab a cute birdhouse, you know, go grab a crate. put some paint on it and start playing with these transfers. I promise you, these little ones like this are super, super easy to use. Now, if you get into some of the bigger ones that are like this huge design that you kind of have to keep together and it goes over the front of a piece of furniture, yeah, those are a little bit more challenging. But these little ones like this are so easy. So easy, and really, like, the creativity is just endless. And with all of these new little designs now, I mean, there's dragonflies, there's you know, we've got a sunflower one, there are birds, there's butterflies, there's more florals, lots of them, lots and lots and lots to do. So they are online on the website, lostandfounddecor.shop. As usual, free shipping, orders over $100, always ship for free in the US. You can also grab them here at our local studio in downtown Springdale. We're here today till 5 and tomorrow from 11 to 4. Or you can shop on our website and select local pickup and pick them up here at our downtown Springdale studio. But I hope that gave you guys an idea of what you can do with these. And, you know, yes, you can use these transfers. Yes, you can. I believe in you. I believe that you can. And I love these smaller packets that they've come out with. Again, these are 13. The regular tubes are $26.99. We do have a couple new ones of those too, but I'm gonna let you guys go to the website and see the ones that we have. So, hey, you guys that were watching this video today are a trooper, because I know my internet is doing weird things. And so the video's probably getting fuzzy. It's probably freezing. I know it froze at least once. So thank you for sticking around, even with all my crummy internet. Like I said, this is the third time I tried this video today, but I really, really wanted to show you guys how to use these so you can just build some confidence and believe that you can. So I appreciate you taking a little bit of your time and joining me today. If you have questions, type them in the comments. I'll come back and answer them later. And yeah, I hope that you guys decide to give some of them a try. And if you're local, I'd love to see you today or tomorrow. All right? Y'all are awesome. Thanks for bearing with me. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.